Funding Mart is a unique independent online service that acts as a central source of information and brings entrepreneurs, business bankers, funders, and funding advisors together in one place. What is the problem with the traditional method of obtaining business funding? SME and corporate are always looking for diversification and expansion. They are in constant need of funds for capital expenditure and working capital requirement. The traditional method of obtaining funding from bank is time consuming and costly. Moreover, the source of funds are limited. Funding Mart proposes to bring the change in traditional way of obtaining the business funding. We propose to partner up with various banks, financial institutions, NBFC, private investors, and venture capitalists. Any business who needs the funding will share the requirement on our portal. This requirement will be shared with all the partners and banks on our portal. The advantage for SME and corporates. There is an advantage for SME and corporates as there are multiple banks working on their requirement. As a result of the stiff competition, the businessman gets the funds at lower cost and in quick time. Advantage for partners and bankers. They get an access to the loan proposal. The banks get more opportunities to work on different requirements and increase the business base. For example, in past one bank is getting 100 proposals in a year, and out of it may be finally going ahead with 30 proposals. Now the same bank can get 500 proposals to work on and may go ahead with 100. So there is a direct increase in the business of bank. At the same time, the customer enjoys the lower rate because of the competition among the banks. Thank you.